Namaste. My name is Pratika, and today I shall be speaking on the topic Relevance of Gandhi in Modern Times. Gandhiji has been given many names, from Bapu to Father of the Nation, and above all Mahatma, which means a great soul. His teachings have more relevance today in modern society since the issues within the human mind and around us have increased many folds. His teachings were purely eternal. He always spread the message of peace. And by peace, he just didn't mean the peace around us, but peace within our minds and hearts. And that's what forms the core of a stable society. Today, we talk about meditation courses and mental health. Although years ago, Gandhiji was often seen meditating and would even play with kids between meetings to de stress himself. He always ate simple food and in moderation. And today we have health experts all over the world talking about portion control in our diets. He took to fasting long back when intermittent fasting was not trending on our Twitter handles. Mahatma Gandhi condemned the use of foreign clothes. And hence today the Make in India slogan somewhere got its root from that time. These days, we are obsessed over watching our favorite tidying expert, Marie Kondo, telling us all about organization. But if we give a thought, Gandhiji always spoke about being a minimalistic. He wore minimal clothes and had few belongings, as he believed that the less clutter we have around us, the less will be in our minds. His policy of non-violence gave way to a new fight for freedom. He used it as a harmless weapon against the British rule. In recent history, a number of such protests have resurfaced again, be it the protest in Bolivia in 2019 or the Black Lives Matter protest in 2020 all around the world. He was against racism, casteism, and any discrimination towards humans. He conquered fear and defied the racist regime in South Africa also. He gave great emphasis to Swachhta or cleanliness. The recent Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, the biggest cleanliness drive by the government of India, is a tribute to fulfill this dream of Bapu. The world, including the United Nations, has recognized the Gandhian idea of sustainable development, and the inauguration of the Gandhi Solar Park at the United Nations headquarters is a testimony to that. In a world that is torn apart by color, race, violence, war, what we need most is non-violence, love, and less hatred to sail through the worst. It's high time we believe that Gandhiji and his teachings are relevant. Else, like Albert Einstein said, generations to come will scarce believe that such a man as this, ever in flesh and blood, walked upon this earth. Thank you.